When you want versatility but demand reliability, you want a Ford truck. Ford trucks are built by men, for men, because it takes a real man to recognize and address the needs of another man. We believe that only a true man's man can appreciate the delicate balance of quality and care that goes into every Ford truck, ensuring that its sleek, rugged design is pleasing both to the eye and to the task at hand. Be it stacking, kayaking, or lumberjacking, Ford trucks have a dependability that brings real men together in a real way. But, not in like a gay way, like in a manly way. Ford trucks, no homo.